In this video, you'll learn how to sell courses on Stan's store. By the end, you'll have created a product page for your e-course that customers can purchase and access. Begin by navigating to the Stan Store platform. Once you are on the home page, look for the option labeled My Store located in the main menu. Click on My Store to access your store management area. After entering My Store, locate the button labeled Plus Add Product. This button is typically found at the top right corner of the screen. Clicking this will allow you to initiate the process of adding a new product. Once you click Plus Add Product, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select the option titled E-Course. This choice is specifically designed for creating online courses. Next, you will need to enter essential details for your course. Start with the course name field. Type in a clear and concise name that reflects the content of your course. Following that, move to the description field where you can provide an overview of what the course entails. This is your opportunity to engage potential customers. After adding the description, you can upload any relevant images or materials that will enhance the course presentation. Look for the section labeled Images Materials and click the Upload button. Choose files from your device that you wish to include, ensuring they are appropriately sized for quick uploads. Now, set the price for your course. Find the Set the Price field and enter the amount you wish to charge. Be mindful of your target audience and the value of your content when determining the price. If your course includes multiple lessons or modules, you can add those at this stage. Look for an option to add lessons modules and click on it. This will allow you to organize your content in manageable sections, making it easier for your students to follow along. After entering all necessary details, locate the Publish button, usually found at the bottom of the page. Click Publish to make your course live on the platform. A confirmation message will appear indicating that your course has been successfully published. Your course will now appear as a product page for customers to purchase and access. Ensure you check that all details are correct on this page, as this is what potential students will see. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.